I have just got a new phone. Whoa, look at the camera quality, bro. All right, y'all get ready. My videos are about to get a whole lot better. Yeah, figure for the occasion. So let's film the first elevator video on my new phone. This is exciting. Wow, I cannot get over this camera quality. My videos and my pictures are all gonna look so much better now. Smells funky in here. Wow, the video quality is amazing. Where's the elevators? I guess they're all the way over here. And they're modernized. Rip, rip, rip. An older TK mod. Okay, I don't want this one. I'm gonna send it up because I want one with an actual nice looking cab. Let's see here. Let's see if we get another one. Much better. Alright, get our cab view. This used to be US, clearly. Alright, off we go. 9. So, white, not BS. See what's up here. Ooh, GAL. Oh wow, that's such like a chunky key switch panel. Jeez, listen to these things. Oh, these have blue buttons up here. Ha, that's weird. Sorry. Jeez, these things are loud as hell. Looks like there used to be like some, probably an emergency light up there. We'll end it on one. I don't have time to go to B.